What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Itzz.harmo back with another freaking video. I am doing a DIY lash stitching tutorial. This is the lashes that I did, and I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this look. It was an easy process. I feel like it takes, for beginners, probably like 30 minutes. Then as you get more skilled or accustomed to the pattern of what you're doing, it should go by faster than that. It's very inexpensive. All my products came from either Amazon or the beauty supply store. So yeah, if y'all want some at-home lashes, continue watching this video, and I hope y'all enjoy. If y'all have any questions about the products I use, please comment down below and I'll be sure to respond. Let's get into it, y'all. Okay, so these are the products I'm going to be using today. It's called Velux Extended. I got this from Amazon. Y'all can see I had this for a minute. I have two of them actually, and they're both kind of beat up, but they work. This has the bond and the seal on each side. Okay, boom. Want to use one of those. Then I have, wait, are my hands ashy? Let me put some lotion on just in case. Okay, we got some lotion on. We got some lotion on. So I'm using 4 different types, 5. We gonna see how many different kinds I'm using. But I have this IEV triple black knot free short length. Then I have some medium length ones. All of this came from the beauty supply store. I just dropped my spoolie. I have an eyelash spoolie. Then I have these long, and it's the multi-layer ultra black. Same brand. And then these are 3 times volume. So these are gonna fluff up my lashes. And then this is from Amazon. Same brand as this bond. And they are all 18 millimeters. So yeah, those are the lashes I'm using. I'm gonna kind of just wing it. And I'm trying to go for like a long to short look. Yeah, full volume. Not too full because I don't like my lashes super thick. And last but not least, I have some tweezers. I don't have the regular lash tweezers. I lost them. So we're just going to use some regular tweezers. Make sure your tweezers are clean because this is going on your eyes. So let's get started. I'm going to stop talking. We're just going to get straight into it. Okay, so we're going to start with the seal. I go inside out. So I put it on the section that I was going to put the lashes on first because this product does dry. I take the small ones and I just put them on the bond, which allows it to stick. I try to get as close as I can to the smallest lash that I have. And then I repeat the same step. This is my second lash that I'm using. And then I like push it with the tweezers to make sure it's in there. This is the third one I'm using. Oh, I don't know why I cut like that, y'all. Anyways, I'm still applying the small ones until I feel like it looks right. It's really based off preference. I'm already feeling myself, as y'all can see. I'm gonna give you on the close-up. Now I'm adding more bond to the next set of lashes so the lashes can stick to my eyes. Like I said, this is a quick and easy process. It is a little tedious because you're doing something with your eyes, which are very sensitive. So just take your time so you won't poke your eyeball out. So now we're going to move to the medium. That was short. Now we're going to medium.
Here you go, you try to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pen Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh, I know these other niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Feel me? Yeah. I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I did 5 small, 3 medium, 2 larges. I'm going to repeat that on the other side off camera. Then we're going to come back and fill them in on camera. Yeah, so I'll be right back. So now I just applied a bond on top of the lashes that I already applied. And then you fill in by adding lashes on top. I started on the outside going in because I wanted to determine how thick I wanted my lashes to look. I guess you could say the volume of my lashes. And I just filled in to my liking. I didn't want them to be OD thick, but I didn't want them to look, you know, like I'm missing hair. So I continue to repeat those same steps that I did when I first applied the lashes, and I push them in to make sure they won't fall off. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I completed this eye. This is how I like it. Now you can see a comparison of one filled in and one not filled in. I'm going to repeat those same steps on the other eye. And yeah, this is the final look. This is what it looks like. Get into it. Real fluffy, real nice. Now you have to seal it with the seal part. I do like 2 to 3 layers of it just to make sure it's extra secure. These lashes last for like 2 weeks, and then you can refill them throughout the week. And just repeat those steps to keep your eyelashes looking full. And I'm doing extra steps by using a fan. You don't have to use a fan, it air dries, but I like using a fan because my eyes are very sensitive. So when I use a fan, it just speeds the process up. And just make sure you get all up in there so your eyelashes won't fall off. Now I'm using a spoolie to fluff them out, and this is the actual complete look. Yes, I'm gonna see y'all in the morning. I'm going to sleep. Y'all gonna see me looking cute. I look good already. You see me, period. Alright, y'all, this is the final look. This is my up close view. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Comment down below any questions you may have on what products I use or any steps that might have not been as clear. Yeah, rated 1 through 10. How did my lashes come out? I say a 10. I look good. I'll catch y'all next time, and I'm out. Bye, guys.